NASA recorded actual sounds coming from black holes, and what they captured is absolutely terrifying. Number 6. The Perseus black hole emits a haunting hum pitched 57 octaves below middle Celsius. Number 5. NASA used the Chandra Observatory to translate pressure waves into sound, revealing an eerie cosmic groan. Number 4. The supermassive black hole at our galaxy's center pulses with strange vibrations scientists cannot explain. Number 3. Some black hole sounds resemble screaming or whispering, stunning researchers who expected nothing but complete silence. Number 2. Black hole GRS 1915 produces a heartbeat-like pulse that repeats with shocking precision and regularity. Finally, number 1. The most chilling recording came from 2 black holes colliding and sending shockwaves through space-time. Subscribe for more space mysteries and cosmic secrets you won't hear elsewhere.